upstairs.
Going upstairs, there's 4 bedrooms. All hardwood floors.
Yeah, I guess we couldn't change the hardwood. The whole house is hardwood.
Oh,
Okay, we'll go to the right first.
Okay.
Oh, in the hallway, very large linen closet. I should try to turn it this way.
You start labeling rooms. This is so and so's room.
Keep it this way. With this room.
You could get the front of the yard.
Large front yard.
Nice sized driveway. So many cars in there.
Yeah, almost like an 8-car driveway.
This is a whole bed.
I count 10. 10.
10-car driveway.
Definitely 10.
Now we come out, bedroom to the right.
Okay, second bedroom to the right of the steps. But the windows are all brought in. They're in the trim
Yeah.
in this room. Or just moldy.
Maybe just moldy. Another window on this wall. The neighborhood. Big closet. Okay, now we're going to the third bedroom to the right.
Or straight, coming up the steps, straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Another big closet. Out the yard.
Do we have to open the window for you?
No,
For outside bedroom?
no, the little thing can see it. That's the yard.
Looks like a basketball court back there.
Yeah, a single basketball court. Okay. Now going to the bathroom. The first full bath on this floor.
It's done.
It's a huge bed.
Isn't that huge?
Yeah, I would take that up right now. Put a diamond-shaped neo-angle soaking tub or
Very
bowl
nice.
tub and a neo-angle shower.
Very nice.
And then put maybe 6 or 7 foot of vanity in there with wraparound cabinets for storage. So you don't have to
Oh,
clean it up.
yeah, definitely. And a nice seat. Sit.
Yeah, we could do that. It's a lot of bathroom.
It is.
Okay. Now we go down to the master suite. I say suite because it's a suite. Sweet! It's humongous.
Yes. Are you on Zoom?
No, it just does it. It's, for some reason, this is how it is. It's like zoomed in. Okay.
There was carpet because they ripped it out in the front bedroom adjacent to the stairwell.
Closet,
It's carpet.
walk-in.
Oh,
And then you got some kind of pad set.
that padding. Yeah.
And I would do a bar across here too.
Right. And there's a little attic up there too. I think there's another attic access if I remember. Unless
there
it's the
one?
other house.
In here, but it's not a pull down.
No pull down, but there is one there. Your mom had that door.
Yeah.
Oh, I would take that out.
What do you mean you take it out?
Put it in the hall.
You could,
Pull down.
yes.
And then the bathroom. Oh, I just put the pull down in there,
Yeah.
so you don't have to see a thing in the hallway. You have to have a string hanging down. This is the master bathroom.
You could, definitely.
Because you could build it right below this from the downstairs, because those stairs
That
are
would look
drop.
so nice.
Deck, and then deck here.
That'd be so pretty. French doors.
5 foot would fit here. 6 with 2, but it would take up the whole wall.
That's it.